it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you looking for an extra little pizzazz in your life? These string lights by Honche have done that for my kids' room. They are super fun, and I love that they are shatterproof. So when my kids play ball in their room, I don't have to worry about there being glass. They're super easy to hang up. As you can see here, there's a nice little hole. You just nail them in. My son nailed these up around their room, and they look perfect. I'm also super impressed with the app that you control them with. They respond super quick, and there are thousands of options on how you want them to look. So they can flash, they can wave, they can be different colors.
So you can have it on the mic setting, which makes it go by sound. So you can either have it sync to music you're playing, or you can just have it go with your voice.
There's also many options with the timer and how dim you want these, so they make great night lights as well. They're waterproof, so if you want to have them outside, they would be super fun out there. So if you are wanting to have a super cool dance party and add some pizzazz to your life, I highly recommend these cute little lights.
And that's my point of view.